I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to refresh your wig. I do a lot of wig maintenances because I make my own wigs. Right now my wig is sitting on my travel stand. I love this travel stand, and I will try to put the links down below to get you a travel stand because I like taking this thing apart while I'm traveling, especially when I'm wearing a wig and it's not just laying down. I'm gonna wash this wig. I'm using the Aunt Jackie's coconut and cream line because I'm realizing my hair likes Aunt Jackie's a lot, so I'll be using this entire line on my hair, on my wig, to just refresh it. I'm getting to the point with my natural. I'm tired of my natural being so short. Like I think every time you guys see me on social media, Instagram, YouTube, it does get bigger. It is growing a lot faster, but I kind of just want some more length. So I'm gonna refresh this wig and maybe wear it out. I know you guys are like, where are you? I know you guys usually see me, but you're not gonna see me, so it's okay. It's all about washing this wig and getting it ready. I figured out that my hair loves Aunt Jackie's, and I used the flaxseed line on my actual hair, so we're gonna try out this line on the wig. Shout out to Aunt Jackie's for the hair care products. Nothing but love over there. I appreciate it. So we're gonna get into this video. Let's go. All right, for the most part the wig is already like finger detangled. I finger detangled it, and so now we're just gonna wet it up and wash it. I took it off the stand to be washed. So now I'm taking the cocoa wash, the conditioning milk cleanser. Just going to put like a good amount in my hand and like start washing this thing. And washing my wig is totally different than washing my actual hair because it's actually not on a stand or anything like that. Like I have to wash it like some towels. A lot of people I've seen on YouTube put their wigs in a washer machine in like laundry bags. I'm not a fan of that. I don't know if I'll ever do that. That'd probably be a challenge or something, but I'll try that. I know you guys are like looking at this and like, oh, you're gonna get the wig tangled. No, my curly hair wig is actually the easiest wig. You see the slip, like, and that's why I like Jackie's, because it has the same slip in the shampoo in my hair. So one thing I try to make sure is I get the closure really well, because the closure has makeup and sweat and all kinds of stuff in it, and you want to make sure you get that and get all of that out. I'm gonna probably do 2 washes of this, of the cocoa wash, and then I'm gonna rinse this out and then do another wash. So this will be like my second wash, and that's it. Okay, so this is my first wash, and now you see that the wig is kind of like slippy. I'm getting a lot of shedding because this actually is my first wash with this wig. I usually wash the other wigs. I haven't washed this one yet, but you can see I can run my fingers through it just perfect. Don't tangle it up. Keep it as, I don't even know the word. Keep it as like tangle free as possible. Okay, we're gonna go in with another wash, and then we're gonna deep condition and keep it moving. So you should feel a difference in your hair. It should start feeling kind of slick, and that's how you can tell it's kind of clean. And I just like rub it together. I know this is like, oh my gosh, like if you got a shampoo that has a really good slick, you don't even have to worry about it getting tangled. Like, I know people are like, this is crazy, why are you doing that together? But like, honestly, this is how I clean my wigs, and my wigs look really nice. So it's your preference. If you want to do it on a wig stand, that's you, but I don't feel like messing with that wig stand. So, and I always go back and try to find my base. So I also add more soap where it's needed, just like when you wash your real hair, like where it's needed to add more soap, that's where I add more soap. And then I go back and hold it by the head and kind of finger detangle and make sure I didn't tangle it up too much. So you see that slip, that is slip, like perfect slip. I'm going in with the deep conditioner, the Cocoa Repair deep conditioner, and we're just gonna take this and kind of go all over with it, starting at the base and then work our way down to the roots. I suggest you deep conditioning all hair, not just your own, but your wigs. Your wigs are your hair. So and I kind of get a lot because it's conditioner. I want my closure to be conditioned more than the rest of the hair, because I mean, that's the front of my hair, that's where you're gonna see most of the action. So I make sure I moisturize that very much so. So I start from this part and then work my way down, and then I kind of take it and kind of flip it to the back of the cap. Add some more conditioner to the back of the cap, because that touches your neck. And like, I don't know about anybody else, but when stuff be touching my neck, it feel like it just mats up. Like, it be so matty. So I make sure that I try to get that part really good, and then get the ends really well. And you can see me, I'm finger detangling. Like, everything is a finger detangle. But now this time, since I have this conditioner in there, I'm actually gonna go in with my detangling brush and just like brush it. And it's gonna be kind of hard because a detangling brush is way different than your fingers. But don't be scared to like get in there. And the other thing that's hard is you don't have anything to grip onto, so it's like you're holding the cap. Another key thing is hold the wefts. Like, just don't brush. Like, I'm holding the wefts of, because it's gonna like try to pull your hair. So hold the wefts tight, because you don't want your hair to come loose. You just don't want your hair to come loose. Like, that's a big thing. All right, so for the most part, it looks really well detangled. It looks really well in this conditioner. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, probably 15, and come back to it, wash this out, and then we're going to add the leave-in conditioner and then our styling gel. I'm just gonna put it on the travel thing and just let it sit.
2 minutes later.
So I've already washed it. Still got slip in it, boom, which is really great. So I just washed it in warm water, and I am getting all the water out, just making sure it's not wet, but it's damp. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the buttercream, Jackie's buttercream leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna take all the way out the top. start at the root. Now I'm going in with curl balls, and I'm just gonna take just a little bit of this, and we're just gonna take some of this, and we're just gonna rub it through, run our fingers through to keep the curls intact. You don't have to do this part, like you can let it dry here, but I want my curls to be intact, so I kind of just rub it through, and not too much. I know we like to over product, but so now I'm just gonna let this wig inside. So this is kind of done with my routine, with my wig restoring routine. I'm gonna let this air dry on the pod, but this is kind of it, and I kind of let it just sit in the sink for a sec as it dries. Okay guys, so thanks for tuning into this video. Literally, you can just let this dry. It'll dry this way. I leave it alone. Some people take diffusers to it, some people take their blow dries to it. I just don't. I let it air dry. I get the best results out of the wig. I know, kind of like how I do my hair when it twists out or whatever. So what's gonna happen with the leave-in, which was the buttercream, and the gel is gonna lock in the moisture and lock in and hold the curls and hold that pattern and texture that I want. Essentially, it's gonna be just like this, but just a little like bigger when it's dry. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope this was a good video for you guys. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you comment down below and let me know how you enjoyed this video, or other things you can suggest for my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're old to my channel, you already know I'm your girl, and I was back in for another video. I forgot to do that at the beginning, but you know who I am. It's your girl. So make sure you guys see me in the next video. Love you lots. Bye.